Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can use another component called badges of Material UI in React. So let us start. I included it here as a new component, MUI badges, and this is the empty one, so I try to change it as per the example. So I created box here, and here also I say box component. I import it and I say box from MUI material. Save this. Then inside this I just remove it and I use typography and I say H5 and I say color equal to secondary. I say alignment to the center, and here I say MUI basis example. Save this. Now you see that we have like that. Now I create one more stack here, and this stack I import, and then I pass here spacing equal to 2 and I pass here direction to row. Save this. Under this I need to use bases. For that I need icon also, so I go there and I say here mail icon. So mailbox we may have like this icon, email or mail, like that, and I copy this and I import this here. Now I take badges. Inside this I say badge, and here I pass this icon. I say mail icon, like that, and here I say base content equal to 2, like that, and I need to import it base like this. Save it. Now if you see the output we have like this, so I have to give some margin also. So I say box equal to 4 as a margin. You see, now I can change color also. So I say color equal to secondary. Save this. You see I have badges color. I can change color of icon also, that is different process. But here you see these badges are coming here, so I can create these badges from a text box also. So I create here text field, and you see text field is coming here. Now in this text field I can pass ID also. I say value, and here I say label is also value, and this value I say value, or here I say function and that will change the value. So I say handle basis, okay, and handle basis value, like that. This is a function. So then I say variant of this equal to outline, and I say size. So size I require small, like that. Now I provide variable. These variables are state variables, so I say value and set value equal to use state, like that. I need to import this also, so I say use state from React, like this. Now I need this function also, so I say const handle base value equal to, like that. So I have here event, so I say set value equal to event dot target dot value, and here initially you see if we save this, handle badges value function like this, done. Now I need to pass this value to here. I say value is here, save this, and you see that at the right now we do not have this, but here label is here value, so I just change this label to enter base value, save this. Now you see I pass here 1, so it automatically display 1. I say 2, it display 2. I say 3, 4, it display 4. So as I change the value is coming here. Similarly, I can create more bases also for variant. You see that here, and I pass here right now in the beginning 0. You see, I save this. So if you see that initially it is 0 here and no one is displaying the value here, but if I want to show the 0 also, so I have one property, an attribute, I say show 0 like that, save this. So this show 0, you see 0 is there, it will display 0, but this first one is not displaying because this property is false. So as I increase the value, then automatically both will take this value. One more thing, we have one more variant of bases, that is dot. So I say here the variant equal to dot like that. I save this, and you will see that we have a dot in place of value. I do not have value because this value would not work here, only dot will work. And you see that we have this dot, and we can control this dot that when it will visible. So we have invisible property, so I say invisible, and I say this value to, I say value. That means if there is a value inside this, then it will become true, otherwise it will false. You see that I say 12, so it is true. That means whenever we insert some value, then it will invisible. So I say not value. You see, so I remove it 0. That means I refresh it first of all. So I have a 0. That means these first and last one is 0. But as I increase the value, so it become true. So dot is visible, then value is also coming. You see that we can control this dot with the help of this invisible attribute and invisible property. Here we can pass the value as we required, and we have the different options for bases. Like that, we have a color options, we have this value in a base content, and we have a show 0 option, and we have the icon which we can put here inside this, and we may have the invisible property. And one more thing we can also try, just I paste it here. In place of this, I write here name Dr. Vipin Classes, and I remove this variant of dot, and here I remove this one also, and I use here base content equal to value, save this, and you see that we have a text also. So in place of text also we can display this bases. You see, not only on image, we may have a text also. On the text we can also print this value. So these are the different options. We may use avatar here. On avatar we can show the value, that we can also use, as I give an example in last video, we have a avatar also. So I can use avatar here, and on the basis of avatar I can show this basis content. So whenever you want, you can show this value. Just you have to think the requirement of your application, and you can do whatever you want. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video.